Yeah, I know. The boxes have whiteout writing on them. Crucify me in the comment section. I needed some way to write on a black box. In other news, it's 12:37 a.m. It's really early, late, early, late. What is it?
Early.
Wes? Can I call you Wes? Am I allowed to call you?
Yes, it's official.
I'm allowed to call you Wes.
It is official.
This is my old English teacher, Wes.
Nice to meet you.
That feels so weird. What are we doing?
We are getting ready to film the intro to the music tour video for NBCI.
Okay, so basically they're going on this sweet 10, 11 day long trip to Los Angeles. I don't get to go on that. I just fly the drone when they leave Winnipeg. I'm getting the right end of the deal here, dude.
I think it's a pretty sweet deal, man. You're the opening shot.
I guess. My drone lost GPS signal and I didn't even get the shot that I came for. Actually a really fun experience getting to be able to like help out at my high school and do something that I saw take place. Like when I was in high school and we went on those trips, we did one in 10th grade to San Antonio, we did one in 12th grade to like New York and Washington. And Wes, the English teacher that I was talking to, he was doing the exact same videos back then, and it's cool to sort of help out and be able to take part in something that I saw happen when I was a student. I don't know if that makes sense, but it was really fun. Contrary to most people, like I loved high school when I was in high school, and I know a lot of people complain about high school and they're like, oh, it sucks, it's terrible, it's the worst thing ever. I did not feel that way at all. Like I loved the teachers, I loved the friends, I never went to class, so that might be part of the reason I liked it so much. I just went to the gym all the time. Obviously there was negatives in high school and there's stuff I didn't like, and I really didn't like the school aspect of high school, which is a big chunk of it, but everything else I loved, and Wes was one of my favorite teachers, and it was just cool to be a part of that. Anyway, I think we got a package in the mail earlier today at my house. I got that. I don't know what it is. Since that's sort of what we do on this channel, let's unbox it. I don't really have a table, so toolboxes are table. Alright, I believe this is the first sneaker unboxing we have in the new apartment. Correct me if I'm wrong. This came in the mail from Footlocker today, so thank you Footlocker for sending this out. I really do appreciate it. I don't know what it is. I have a few ideas of what it could be. Probably an upcoming Jordan or like Ultra Boost or something like that. Maybe on an off chance it's something unique. I doubt it's something unique. Use this box to ship out other shoes, so I really don't want to wreck it. Oh, nice. I freaking love bubble wrap. All right, these are the shoes right here. They come in a regular Jordan box, gold Jumpman. I still haven't seen the tag. The tag says Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. Oh, I know what these are. Medium gray, white, and Gunsmoke. Does that not sound like a sexy shoe colorway? Gunsmoke, oh my goodness. All right, white paper. Woo! These are fresh. The Air Jordan 11 Low Cool Gray. Wow, okay, so if you guys know anything about Jordans, you know that this is a low top iteration of the classic Jordan 11 colorway of the Cool Gray. They came out in 2001 originally, I believe, then they re-released in 2009 or something like that. We haven't seen them since then, and now they arrive in low top form. Oh no, this suede is, wow. This suede is, feel that, you guys feel that? This might be some of the softest suede I've ever felt in my, wow. Okay, Jordan Brand, I'm genuinely impressed as how you got this to feel this freaking soft. Okay, I honestly don't even know what day these are coming out. Like, I have no idea, maybe this weekend? Okay, forgive me. There are so many Jordan releases, 2 new pairs every single weekend it seems like. I have trouble keeping up with them. These guys right here, they come out in 2 weekends. Not this coming weekend, the weekend after this coming weekend. April 28th. They're really, really nice. I'm not sure. Great pair of shoes though, really nice looking pair of shoes. Super classic colorway, this just screams classic Jordan. You have gray, the white laces, which I think is an amazing contrast, white midsole, Look how icy blue and wonderful that bottom looks. That is oh wow. Sick pair of shoes. Wow, thank you so much. Footlocker or Champs or whoever actually sent these out. The address said Footlocker, so I'm gonna thank Footlocker. Wow, beautiful pair of kicks. I'm honestly just super impressed. The materials on these are absurd. So, I mean, it's still the crappy patent leather that you get. It's just plastic. I don't think it's actually real leather. But the suede on this is so soft. Like, you could wrap up your baby in this, and I don't know where I'm going with that, but it's soft. I really like these. These come out, I really like these. If I didn't get these sent in the mail, I'd strongly consider picking these up when they came out. I'd assume they're probably gonna sell out on release day the way Jordans are going the past few months, just being a little bit more limited and a little bit harder to get. I wouldn't say there'd be any crazy resell on these, so don't worry if you can't get them on release day. You may pay an extra $20, $30, $40, but not hundreds of extra dollars. That'll be my guess at least. They could just sit on shelves. I have absolutely no idea. I'm very impressed with this pair of kicks though. Thank you for sending these out. I want to hear what you guys think of them. I think these are like a 9 out of 10 at least, but I do need to get over to basketball right now. No, change of plans. Change of plans. We're not going to basketball. I thought about it. The fact that I'm on little hours of sleep, probably not a good idea to go play sports. I feel sore, I feel tired, I feel exhausted. I think the best plan for tonight is get to sleep early and have an even better day tomorrow. I think I'm gonna wake up at like 6 in the morning tomorrow to do something a little bit stupid, a little bit crazy, but should end up being pretty fun. So guys, as always, I really appreciate all you guys watching. I'm having fun. Like, the new place is awesome. I feel like this is a big new step in the channel. I am selling lots of shoes, which is crazy. Sold like $1,500 worth of shoes already, which is just amazing. And I think I found something that I want to invest that money in to make these videos even better and to just have a lot more fun with what I'm doing here on this channel. And you guys are a big part of that. I just feel like in a really good headspace right now with everything that we're doing on the channel, and I hope you guys are enjoying the videos and keep following along on the journey that we have. So if you guys are not already following me on Instagram and Twitter at Tom Stefaniak, make sure to do so. I post lots of stuff over there, and if you guys want to be part of the family that we have going on here, that is probably the best way to do so. Anyway, I'll let you guys get going with your day. I'm probably gonna call it quits right here, edit some stuff, answer some emails, and go to sleep, because I'm absolutely exhausted.